Scientists discovered yawning is as contagious as a viral dance trend. Nearly half of us yawn within 5 minutes of seeing someone else do it. This automatic response is linked to our brain's mirror neurons, the same ones that make us feel empathy and connect with others. When we spot a yawn, these neurons fire up instantly. Even reading or thinking about yawning can trigger it. Fun fact, it's not just humans. Dogs and chimps catch yawns too, especially from their owners or close friends. While watching this short, you probably yawned already. Drop a comment if you did, and hit subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about your body.